Bitch. Hey everybody, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you a nice olive green makeup look. But before we get into this video, make sure that you like and subscribe. It really helps me out and it helps me know which videos you like from me. And comment down below and tell me what videos you would like me to film. Got my McDonald's Coke in hand, so let's get started. I'm going to start off with my brows like usual, and I'm using the L'Oreal Brow Stylist Shape and Fill Pencil in Brunette. Am I giving myself a unibrow or what? Do those look like cousins even? I'm not too sure. Now I'm going to be setting my brows with the first brow setting gel that I picked up, which is the Cella Eyebrow Defining Gel. And for some reason I just really feel like doing my face first today, and I'm going to be using the Ulta Demi Matte Foundation. And I'm using a really dirty brush to put on this foundation with because I am just so lazy and I do not feel like washing my brushes or my sponges. Also, today I'm wearing a really stained Purdue sweatshirt because I go to Purdue, if you didn't know. But it's like really stained, like really badly. And now I'm just using the Tarte Shade Tape Concealer to conceal my under eyes. And now I'm going to set that concealer with the RCMA No Color Powder. And I'm going to set the rest of my face with the Rimmel Stay Matte Pressed Powder. Oh look, I'm getting more stains on my sweatshirt. How fun. And now for this olive green eyeshadow look, I'm going to be using the NYX Happy Birthday palette, which I got from Ulta a few years ago as a birthday gift. So to start off with, I'm dipping into that really orange shade and putting that all over my crease. And sorry this part is a little out of focus, I am an idiot. But to me, this eyeshadow palette is just like the perfect fall eyeshadow palette. It has like all of the colors that I want to use in the fall. But there are a ton of palettes out there with olive green shades in them. You could use like the Jaclyn Hill palette, for example. I'm also running that color all over my bottom lash line. And now I'm taking that brown color in the palette and deepening up my crease a little bit. And now I'm going back in with that orange because I just wanted this look to be a little bit more orange. And now I'm taking the dark brown in the palette and going in my outer corner with that. And I'm also taking that shade really close to my lower lash line. And now I'm going to be going in with the olive green and putting that all over my lids. And now I'm going back in with the dark brown shade to blend in with the olive green. And now I'm going to take the lightest color in that palette and highlight my inner corner and my brow bone with it. And now to finish up the eyes, I'm using some mascara, and I'm using the Eyeko Lash Alert Mascara. And now I'm not really feeling lashes today. They just seem like a lot of work right now. So I think I'm gonna skip lashes, but I think that they would look really like beautiful with this makeup look. And now to finish off this makeup look, I'm gonna take the Tarte bronzer in Hotel Heiress. And now I'm going to take the Morphe blush in Spirit. And now I want to go for like a really golden highlight, I think. And so I think I'm going to go in with the Anastasia highlight with Amrezy. Oh, highlighted a pimple. And now for this look, I want like a really nice fall lip. So I think I'm going to go in with the Too Faced Melted Matte in Gingerbread Girl. Oh, I forgot how these smelled. That smells good. Yes, I love this. I know this is like a Christmas lip, but this is like the perfect fall lip. It is so fall to me. Anyways, that is everything for this makeup look. I hope that you enjoyed it, and if you did, please give me a like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye! I've got my McDonald's Coke in my hand, so I'm ready to get started.